Hey folks, hey, what's going on? This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. What I want to show you in this video here, how to make money on YouTube, 7 tips for beginners, okay? That means anybody can do this. You can do this. Your mama can do it, your daddy, your brand new 3-year-old. It doesn't matter. Listen, pay attention, and I'm going to show you how YouTube today is paying for my Rolls Royce. I just bought a Rolls Royce, and YouTube is paying for it. And I'm going to show you 0 subscribers. I'm going to show you how to build it from scratch. Hey, all I ask is this. Give me a sub and a like only. Listen, don't sub to my channel and don't like this video unless I give you massive value, okay? If I don't give you massive value, if you hate me, if you can't stand that my hair is just nappy right now, don't give me a like, okay? So here we go. So this is my YouTube channel. And the funny thing is this. I just started to work on this. I know you see 183 subscribers, but be honestly, this is because years ago I started a fitness business. That didn't work out. So I had a ton of subscribers. So I kind of had to start from scratch. But let me do something. Let me prove to you first that I'm making money, okay? So I'm going to log into my account live. Is that cool? Watch this. If I go to Google AdSense, okay? AdSense here. Here we go. Look here. You see that right there? So that's $3,628 I made. I think in the last, let me see here, I think last 17 days. You know what's so funny? My Rolls Royce, I paid $3,500 for it. And let me show you my Rolls Royce real quickly here. Go to my IG here. And there it is. And let me show you my Rolls Royce. Just want to prove to you that I actually earned this, that own this car. This is me, right? The guy with the Rolls Royce in the background. See that? And I'm paying every month for this thing. That's my Lamborghini. That's my other Lamborghini. Let me show you. Hold on. Let me scroll down. See? Yeah. Okay, so here's the Rolls Royce. Just to confirm to you, it is mine. I bought this. To be honest with you, I'm lying. YouTube bought it because I'm earning this money with YouTube every freaking, as you can see here, July 1st to the 17th, they paid me almost $4,000. And as you look up here, it's Friday, July 17th. So they're paying that bill. So what I want to do is, I'm going to give you the most profound tips that you can do right now, starting from scratch, to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month very quickly, okay? Make sense? Because I did it, all right? I did it with my channel. All right, so let's go back here. Let's go back to YouTube. Rule number 1, write this tip down. Don't be boring. Oh my God, listen. I can't stand watching a video that's boring. Listen, have some energy. Show the view. Look outside. Show yourself. Show the view again, right? But don't be boring, okay? It's important. So many videos, the reason why no one is watching your content, because you're boring, all right? Be interesting, all right? Like have a bad haircut or whatever, right? I don't even have a ring light. So what? Right? Because I'm rich. But listen, okay? Rule number 1, don't be boring. Just have some energy. What I've learned on YouTube, like this video right now, I'm using my laptop. I'm not using a professional camera. I never do, because I think that's BS. Just be your true self. Listen, people will like you. Don't be somebody else, be you, okay? So number 1, don't be boring. Number 2, make sure you give massive value. You remember in the beginning of this video, I said, do not give me a sub or like this video unless I give you massive value. Which means is, when I do videos, you're going to notice once you watch my channel, every video I give content as if you paid for it, right? That's called massive value. Don't give value, give massive value. So look here, let me show you something here. If you go to videos here, okay, let me show you why some of these videos are getting so many views, right? 1,700 there, 2,000 there, 4,000. And you know what? It's not even a lot of views, but yet I'm making like 4,000 a month on YouTube. You know, it's just, I just started this. I just started doing these videos here. All right, and I'm going to show you what you have to do. Now, first step is this. Model a channel. That's tip number, is that 2 or 3? Model a channel, okay? Find a channel with whatever niche. It could be how to make money online. It could be how to get skinny. It can get how to be pretty, it doesn't matter. Find a channel online, right, that you like, that has at least like 100,000 to 1,000,000 subscribers, and model it. When I say model, look, see if you're going to model my channel. Look here. Let me go back to the start here. Make sure when you create your free channel on YouTube, you do this. And this is what, people don't get it. I don't know why they don't do this. Look, when someone goes to your channel, you see this right here? This image here? Create something that shows what you do, who you are, and some cool images. And guess what? I paid $5 for this. Listen, go to Fiverr.com. I'm going to give you the website because I love you. Go to Fiverr.com and get somebody to create a cool image of you, a cool picture, right? And use it as your title or your headline right here, okay? Because it makes it look attractive, okay? You got it? Write it down. Now listen, you see these videos here? All these videos that I have created here, it is something very specific about them. What is that? I have a thumbnail. Number 3, make sure you have a compelling thumbnail, okay? Have a cool thumbnail, right? Don't just put up a video of yourself. That's what I used to do back in the day. You know what? Let me be very transparent because I want to prove to you that my channel used to suck back in the day. Look at this. Let me show you something here. If I do a sort, and if we go back to my first video, the oldest video, look at this. Hey, now don't talk about me. Look how terrible. Look at this. Look at these thumbnails. It's 9 years ago. I was making no money. Look at it. 100 views, 158, but I was consistent. That's when my failed fitness business, I thought I could help people lose weight, but obviously no one wanted to buy my stuff. It's embarrassing. Look at this. It's all my embarrassing content. But see if I would put a thumbnail, right, and a better compelling title. Write that down. Make sure the title of the headline of the video is compelling. Look, this is me. This is embarrassing, man. 8 years ago. My channel sucked. But once I started to apply some of these techniques that I'm giving you, everything changed. So let me go back here. Okay. I think we're on number 4 now. Okay. Let's go back here. Now you may ask, well, Wesley, and this is what everybody wants to know. What type of content should I create? Like, say if I want to go into the self-development niche. Say if you're a person that knows how to manifest, or you know how to use your thoughts to create your world, right? You may say, well, what type of videos? Listen, this is what you do. This is the secret that no person would tell you for free. They will make you pay money, but this is free. Watch this. If I go to youtube.com and say if I want to create a video on how to manifest faster, right? So I type it in. How to manifest faster. So obvious, so easy, right? You might, yeah. Look at this. So you find the video that, look at that, that's 2 million views. So what you do is, you use this guy's title. Yeah, seriously. You use this title right here. You can change maybe one word, manifest anything you desire, law of attraction, meditation music, asking, well, that's meditation music, so we don't want that actually. Here we go, Abraham Hicks. In just one day, you will manifest. Put your name here. Listen, put your name there. In just one day, you will manifest. Okay? Then you click on it. Right? And then you want to put in the tags. Right? Look at that. Okay? You see what she did here? These are all the tags she's using. But the tags you use, you can use these tags. Which means is, because Abraham Hicks, she's very popular, right? So that means when people search her, your video more likely will start to pop up. Does that make sense? Listen, when you create your first video, okay? I think we're on number 4, right? Make sure you model exactly the title that's already getting millions of views. You don't have to create something brand new and crazy because no one knows you yet. We don't know who you are. So what you have to do first is find compelling subject or video titles that are already working and you model it. Put your name, just in one day to manifest. You can watch that video and then you do a better job like I'm doing here. Listen, I'm doing the same thing, right? I just took the title from somebody. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I'm gonna be very honest because I want to deserve your like and your sub right now. Listen, I searched the internet. I try to find out what people are searching for, and I think I could do a better job. And I think I'm doing a better job because I'm showing you how to make that $4,000 per month by doing this. If you want your videos to rank faster, if you have 0 subscribers, you just find a niche. You find what you want to talk about. You search online exactly that topic. You find a video that has millions of views. You copy that video title. You copy the video tags. You create a new video just like this, and you get it started. Does that make sense? Oh my God, I know you guys love me, right? All right, now listen. All right, so now another thing, make sure you do this. So many people fail to do this. Ask for a like and ask for a sub. It doesn't mean that they're going to do it like you. I may ask you to like this and sub if you got value, right? I just showed you, I'm showing you guys how I'm getting these views here, right? I'm pretty sure you understand I'm giving you value. So I'm pretty sure if I serve you, you're going to hit that like and share button. So make sure you always ask the person to do that, okay? Because that's going to help you as far as social proof that this video deserves to be watched, because it's what people do. When they're searching YouTube, let me give you an example. Say if I'm searching YouTube like this, and I'm searching, say, how to get rich. How to get rich quick. How many of you have ever typed that in? I did. Before I became a millionaire, I did that all the time. So look at this, how to get rich. So when I'm searching here, and this is what everybody does, we're looking for the video to get the most views, 2.8 million. All right, so I'm gonna watch this because we're going to assume, because of more people that have watched that video, that I should watch it too. Right? It's called the herd mentality, right? So the thing is, this is another great video. Like, say if you're in the manifestation niche or in the self-development niche or want to be there, and I'm pretty sure everybody that's watching this video do believe that thoughts create things, that law of attraction is real, that whatever you think and visualize, you will create. I'll talk about that in my Overnight Millionaire program. But look here, getting rich is easy. Start doing this today. You can use this, do a video, basically model everything that this guy is doing. Does that make sense? Then your video will start to rank. But listen, don't be boring. That's important. All right. Does that make sense? Hold up. Am I done? I think so. I just gave you 7 tips. I think I gave you more. Listen, let's recap. First, create a YouTube channel, okay? First thing, right? On your channel itself, go to Fiverr.com, have somebody hook up a cool image of you, what you want to talk about. Me, I'm Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Well, because that's just my goal, you know? I'm going to be a billionaire very soon, right? You got to always have goals in life. That's my goal, and I'm going to hit that very quickly here. Go to Fiverr.com, get someone to create that. I'll put that link below, all right? So listen, another thing, when you upload your first video, make sure that you find an existing video. This is important. Find an existing video that already has a great, compelling title, that already has been seen millions of times. As soon as I started doing videos like this, following this model, look at the last video I did in, like, let me see, July 4th. Look at that, 16,000 views. And that was just, 2 weeks ago, right? And every day we're just getting so many view counts. And you can always look at your analytics here. Let me show you something. In the past 7 days, I just want to be transparent here. Look, in 7 days, I made almost $1,000. I'm happy. I'm grateful for that, right? Because I need them to pay that Rolls Royce payment for me. You know what I mean? You can keep track of this. And the great thing about this, you can start right now and start doing this, okay? So remember, I know we were doing a recap, all right? Create a Google account right now, okay? Find the niche or the skill or whatever you want to record videos about. When you think about it, say, okay, I want to talk about dogs. I want to talk about cats. I want to talk about my life. You can even talk about your life. Then you find another person that talks about their life that has like 1 million subscribers or 100,000, subscribers, and you just model the videos and model the video titles, and you post it. Make sure that you have a compelling image, right? A thumbnail. Thumbnails are created to make people click on it. It's called clickbait. I know what you think. I'm giving so much value. That's insane, right? This is what I do, and I'm making $4,000 a month. And I think next month we should do $10,000, okay? Because I'm gonna give you the last one because I love you. You must be consistent, okay? Like, you got to be consistent. I do a video like one video a day. It's easy. I just talk like this. I don't need a ring light. I don't need any special camera. I just want to give value because I want you to say, Wesley, I love this video. I'm going to try it. Guess what? It's been 30, 40 days. I made my first $100. Okay? That's what I want. I want you to reach out to me and say, Wesley, I love this video. It worked. Thank you so much. You don't have to buy anything. I just want you to take action. All right? So that's it. That's all you have to do. And then I give you one more thing here as a bonus here. Say if you are selling a program, or say if you're an affiliate and you want to recommend a program. Well, guess what? Like in this one video right here, it's been seen about, I think, 20,000 times. And all this information in here, and you'll see in the description below, these are my programs and systems that I sell. Now, you don't have to buy these things, okay? They're powerful, but I just want to show you as an example. If you have any products online that you have created, it can be a physical or it can be a digital product. You want to do this. I make between $1,000 and $2,000 a day just by putting the links to my products in the description that people naturally go to. Listen, you might say, well, Wesley, I don't have a product. Cool. You can recommend or be an affiliate to another person's product, okay? I have a video that you can search on my channel called ClickBank for Beginners or Digistore for Beginners. I teach you for free how to become an affiliate and put things in your description and make money. And let me show you proof. Look at this. I just want to show you real proof. This is my Stripe account, and this is the money that I've made so far today. It may not be a lot, but it's something, right? How much money have I made? I've made $969 today only by putting my product in the description under my YouTube videos, which you should do as well. If you don't have a product, you just put other people's product and you'll become an affiliate, okay? It is powerful. In 30 to 60 days, you can start making a ton of money with YouTube ads, and you make a secondary income with putting links in the description because you don't know which video is going to blow, right? And make a bunch of money. Okay, I'm done. So guys, hey, listen up. If I deserve a sub now, or deserve your like, bang that like for me. Click the like, click sub, and hit the notification button. And as well, also I ask all my subscribers this one thing. If you have a video or if it's something on the internet that you would like me to discuss as it relates to making money so we can get you out of the 9-to-5 job and put you in the land of paradise here, okay? Right? It makes sense? Put it in the comment section below. I love doing free videos. I love getting value, and I love making money as well, but I really love transforming people's lives based off this content that I create here online. So, hey, look, what do you think? What do you think? A like? Do I deserve a like? A sub? Is it cool? Go ahead. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Hey, I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion version, motivated, dedicated. Let's go. Later.